Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Joje Kebab. At first, we must add saffron to the bowl, which is full of chicken, and let the chicken rest in the fridge for 3 hours just with saffron. After 3 hours, it's time to chop the onions. If you have large onions, 2 large onions are enough, and if you have little onions, about 10 or 11 little onions are enough. After you chop the onions, add them to the bowl. After the onions are added, it's time to add the spices: black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and saffron extract. If you like parsley, you can add 1 spoon of dried parsley too. And again, let it rest in the fridge for at least 5 hours. I let it rest for 1 night. Now, before cooking, add about a little sesame seeds oil. Now separate the chickens from the onions and let it cook without any oil on low heat. Because I want to serve the chicken with rice, I also barbecue some tomatoes to serve them with rice. The chicken took about an hour and a half to cook, and now it's ready to serve, so watch me serve it with tomato and rice. I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of my favorite dishes, and I served it with torshi and Coke.